Canada's housing construction is booming, but not in Ontario. In today's video, I'm breaking down why national housing starts remain strong, while Ontario, especially in the GTA, are facing a steep decline. Let's dive in. Hi, my name is Deloshan, and welcome back to another episode of Real Estate Watch. The GTA new condo construction is going through a change, something that we have not seen before. Across Canada, housing starts are strong. Over the last 4 years, more than 1 million new units have been built. In the first half of 2025, housing starts averaged about 250,000 units annually, well above the pre-pandemic average of 200,000. But that national strength hides a sharp contrast. Now, Ontario is a different story. Since mid-2024, housing starts have plunged, especially in the GTA. In Q1 of 2025, housing starts fell to just 12,000 units. It's the lowest since 2009 financial crisis. Toronto itself has been hit the hardest, with starts down at 58% in the first 5 months of 2025 compared to last year. Now, why, you may ask? Well, there's a flood of resale supply, which means there's less demand for new builds. Pre-construction sales are at the 30-year low. Without buyers, builders can't launch any projects. And costs are higher in Ontario than anywhere else in the country. Land, construction, and development charges all piling up. Other provinces are managing to keep building, especially rental housing. In Ontario, though, high cost and long timelines make rental projects nearly impossible to finance. Municipalities are issuing building permits, but when it comes time to break ground, many projects simply gets cancelled. So what does this mean for buyers and builders? So for buyers, short term, there's still a wave of supply. There's about 50,000 condos closing this year alone in 2025. Another 25,000 units in 2026, and another 20,000 units the year after. The long term, fewer housing starts today could mean tighter supply in the future. And for builders, many are shifting strategies, exploring smaller multiplexes where costs are lower and development charges are reduced. Large-scale high-rise may be on pause, but smaller wood frame buildings can gain traction. So what's my final thoughts? Canada's housing construction is resilient overall, but Ontario is acting like it's in a recession. Until costs come down and financing gets easier, we're unlikely to see a rebound in large condo projects. But the rise of multiplex housing could offer a new path forward for Ontario's housing market. So what do you think? Will big developers start moving towards multiplex space, or will Ontario continue to fall behind? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for future episodes on all things real estate. And I'll see you in the next video.